Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to find $1 million mansions on JamesEdition. And for this we click here on find home on the app, and then right now I search for the location. So let's say Miami, that's a great place to search for. And then right now you already find something, but right now if you click here on the 14 option, you have here a price range. So let's say from $10 million until $100 million. Now we can also search for a private island, castle, now whatever we like. You have more options to fill in, but let's see what the results are. So now we click on see results. Now right now we have a private island here somewhere in Miami that costs us 26 million. If we scroll down, we have an incredible building right here for 33 million. Damn, 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms. And the place that you have around the building is insane. It's 10,000 square feet, so that's crazy. If you go back, you will find here more massive mansions in Miami. Look at this, for example. This is crazy, seriously. 42 million, and look at this. That's crazy, man. But hey, let's click on that, and we have interest in this building. Then we click here on message. Then you can fill in your phone number and everything that the agent needs, and then they will contact with you. So this is exactly how you can find your $1 million mansions on JamesEdition in a nutshell. And probably you have so many filters, so play with those filters, find the mansion that you are looking for, and then you can buy it, or you can just visit it and look if it's something that you like. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.